Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today I have a very special person with us. And we'll be soon live with him. Yes, that's Ruchir Sodhani sir, who is a counselor with CK Birla Hospital as well as Santokbar Dulabji. He is just joining me here in any moment.
Okay.
Hi sir,
Hi.
how are you doing sir?
I'm good, thanks. I just thought I'll get some headset so that it's kind of clearer. At
Yeah.
least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, sir, would you like to talk first, or I have some questions already from some of my followers. So, how would you
Yeah.
like to begin?
Either way, it doesn't matter really. Why don't you can start and then I can keep hopefully let the questions drive it and then we can always add more things if required.
Right. So, sir, first question is how to remain unaffected from surroundings negativity.
Yeah, Gopal, so that's a very, very nice question. And I think all of us are in this kind of a mode right now where, a lot is going on. I
Right.
think, interestingly enough, to try and answer that question, I feel that first what we need to understand is what is the situation like? You know? I feel that, look, the interesting part is that the situation is same for all of us. In the sense, all of us are troubled by somewhat the similar situation. In
Right.
fact, this hasn't happened for a long, long time. I mean, since World War II, the whole world is facing exactly the same situation.
Exactly the same situation. Right.
But the problem is that the impact of these situations is very personal.
Right.
So, Coppola, like how it is impacting you versus how it is impacting me or somebody else is slightly different. So,
Absolutely.
funnily enough, that we will be very individualistic in how hard it is hitting us, where it is hitting us. So, I think once we realize that, then the next step is to realizing what is it that is causing that discomfort. This negativity and things like that of getting stuck. Why are we getting stuck? And I think my understanding is that it is all about the loss of our control. There's so much uncertainty that there is a loss of our feeling of control over our own lives.
Right.
And if this loss of look now, these kind of things happen every day. Every day there is certain things that maybe your friend said that she was going to come and she doesn't turn up. Sometimes we want something to happen and our phone is not working. So there is small amounts of loss of control all the time. But in this case, there are four factors that I feel that are very important. The scope of the loss of control. It's tremendous. It's huge.
Right.
अगर हिंदी में अपन कहेंगे तो अपन कहेंगे कि यार पैरों तले जमीन खिसक गई. It is shaking the foundations of how much control we actually have in our life, really. So it's not just चलो भाई आज ड्राइवर नहीं आया है यार, आज गाड़ी पंचर हो गई या जॉब में क्या होगा या क्या नहीं होगा, but it is all over. It's all over the place. So it's very wide, very deep. So the scope is huge, right? Then the level and the intensity is also very high. The third thing is that the duration. I mean, there are two parts that we normally look at when we look at trauma or we look at uncertainty and loss of control. We look at duration or frequency. Now, कुछ लोगों को लगेगा कि this duration is huge because it's been going on, and for some people the duration is, but the frequency is huge. That every day when you get up in the morning, you're still not in control. So it depends on how you look at it, but it's this deep, intense, frequent, and prolonged uncertainty. What happens is our brains, they get into a stress mode. Our normal mode is, jo kuch bhi aa raha hai, we think about it, we figure it out, and things like that, and then we act upon it, right? We figure out what options we have. We might use other people to kind of, use them as a sounding board. But once we go into a stress reaction, all our usual ways of coping just get short-circuited. there's a tremendous sense of dissonance, there is disorientation, you know. So it's almost, in fact, like it's funny, I would sometimes tell people that, भाई जिस तरह से कोई सोल्जर जो है जम्मू कश्मीर में तैनात है या बॉर्डर पे तैनात है, उसी की तरह हमारी हालत हो रही है आज. We can feel that everything that we do, the stress reaction is there कि अरे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, things are out of control. And how does negativity get a hold of us? Because of this mode of our brain, which we are in the crisis mode or alarm mode. In this mode, what happens is that, normally our brain is like a logical entity. It's an amazing machine. But also at the same time, it's a story-making device. We make movies or stories to figure out, why is certain things happening, क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, But this story-making, ये जो director है, ये inaccurate हो जाता है, unhelpful हो जाता है ना, repetitive हो जाता है, वही की वही चीजें बार-बार होती रहती हैं, and it gets stuck in this negative. Basically मैं लोगों को ये कहता हूँ, ये चश्मा जो है ना अपना, ये पहन लेते हैं ऐसा चश्मा जिसमें this negative thing just becomes even more apparent. It is like the camera of the zoom of your camera is focused at such a point that the negative bits are very much in focus, and lots of other things are not in focus. So it is just kind of out of balance. And so I guess coming back to your question about how to deal with negativity, one is so the first thing is realizing कि हम कहाँ अटके हुए हैं और कौन सा चश्मा अपन ने पहना हुआ है ना. तब अपन अपने ब्रेन को कह सकते हैं भैया ये चश्मा हटा, है ना, तेरी बात सुन ली मैंने, because we can't always make like a lot of people will say आप ऐसे सोचते ही क्यों. पर my contention is कि भाई सोच इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि सिचुएशन ऐसी है. So we cannot take ourselves out of the situation, but what we can do is we can talk to our brain, we can realize what our brain is saying, and उसको से भैया चौकीदार जैसे है, अगर वो बार बार कह रहा है साहब ध्यान दो, तो अपन उसको कहते हैं बॉस, okay, we have heard you, now let us process it, let us do something about it. So that's my gut feel कि भाई नेगेटिविटी अगर अपने को उससे दूर रहना है तो सबसे पहले उसको दरवाजा बंद करके अपन सोचे कि उसको वहीं पे दरवाजे के बाहर रोक ले, वो नहीं है. लेट इट कम एंड लेट इट गो, चिपके नहीं उससे. आई थिंक दिस इज अ बेटर वे ऑफ ट्राइंग टू kind of deal with it.
Absolutely. So the second question is how to deal with instant anger.
Instant anger, yes, and I think this is what happens with this, brain being in alarm mode, crisis mode, and things like that. Everything that जो अपने को सुई भी चुभती है. Sorry, I'm going in and back and forth between Hindi and English, and I hope that's okay, Kopal, है ना. But even if there is a pinprick, even if हम कहते हैं कांटा चुभा, सुई चुभी अपने को, because we are already in this heightened hyper vigilant mode, because of this alarm. Basically alarm क्या कहता है कि हम hyper vigilant, it's like walking on a street in the middle of the night or late at night, है ना. तो हम लोग हरदम आसपास देखते रहेंगे कौन आ रहा है, who is coming, who is not coming. Every time there's a sound, we are looking that okay, it's nothing that we have to be afraid of. The dangers are there, and I think more so obviously for women than I'm sure than it is for men, but definitely it is there. And in this hyper vigilant state, when we get something triggers us, something hits us, something hurts us, it just feels like somebody has kind of actually put a stake or a knife or a sword through our heart. And the reaction, ये जो instant reaction है, the instant reaction is also because of the alarm mode, because we feel like we don't really have the time to kind of react. We have to react rather than respond. I think we kind of tend to differentiate between reaction, which is much more impulsive, and response, where it is a considered response. And I think once we realize that our brain is that mode, then we can say, oh, ये अपने को चाहता है कि अपन ये करें, लेट्स स्टेप बैक, काउंट टिल 10, go and get a glass of water, whatever else it is, you know, or almost like being able to tell our brain, अच्छा तू फंसाने की कोशिश कर रहा है बस, है ना? So and then, you know, if you can, so any way that we can find ourselves to be lighter, you know, find the smiles coming to our face, I reckon that will help us not react but respond. और जब फिसल भी गए, you know, कई बारी अपन फिसलने से पहले अपने आप को रोक पाते हैं, कभी कभी फिसलने के बाद भी अगर रोक पाए, so that the anger is not prolonged. Otherwise, क्योंकि क्या है यार, गई भैंस पानी में आज तो, you know, आज तो फिसल गए बहुत. पर जब वो बात आपने अपने आप को बोल दी, when you are able to say something silly, something stupid and something like that, you know, then you suddenly stop yourself and you can get back on the track. So it's not just about stopping us from reacting, but also whenever we can, stopping the, you know, either the intense reaction or the, I guess the duration of the response, and, you know, kitni der tak we are kind of angry and things like that. That's what I feel anyway. Yeah. So what do you feel? I mean, what do you think? You know, does that make sense? Does that kind of resonate with you? How do you feel?
Yeah. I think it resonates very much. I can relate what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Yeah. So sir, next question is how to manage stress. Stress management कैसे किया जाए?
Excellent question. Yeah, you know, and these kind of questions, obviously, they are always important for us. You know, despite the situation, it's even in general normal times they're important, but in these times they're even more important. You know? And I feel that like I said, you know, stress management also is in a sense a universal problem, but with personal impacts and personal ways of dealing with it. And we can call them in English, we'll call them workarounds, we'll call them options, we'll call them experiments, we'll call them tools. What kind of tools we can find to kind of deal with this situation. In Hindi, I guess, or in India, we can call them jugaad. You know, we have to try and find some jugads, you know, जो कि काम करते हैं अपने लिए, है ना? And we need to have a few different jugads, you know, and all of us do have those jugaad. ऐसा नहीं है कोपल कि आपको, you know, मैं कुछ नई चीज बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. But कई बारी क्या होता है कि again, when the stress levels are high and they are coming repetitively and, you know, in things like that, तो हम इन जुगाड़ों से भी, अपने ही जुगाड़ों से दूर हो जाते हैं. We tend to kind of, you know, the brain kind of in trying to quickly deal with it and react to it, we tend to forget our own strengths, our own, you know, like, you know, we might have a lot of friends that we can reach out to. We might love having a cup of tea or something like that with them, you know, have a game of some kind or, you know, go out, share things. अब वो possible नहीं है. Yeah. What I'm finding is that we end up doing a lot of phone calls, but for work. But I feel, you know, now you're talking about किस तरह से stress कम किया जाए. So one of my jugads I'm suggesting is, why don't we have an online tea time, chai time? जो चाय हम बाहर, है ना, कुछ exactly, you know, जो हम बाहर जाके पीते थे, थड़ी पे जाके बैठते थे, साथ में बैठते थे, हाँ, एक दूसरे की जो पीठ थपथपाते थे, हाथ शेक करते थे. मे बी वी कैन नॉट डू दैट, बट यू नो वर्चुअली कर सकते हैं. पर आप अपनी चाय लाएं, मैं अपनी चाय लाऊं, है ना, एंड वी कैन हैव अ चाय टाइम राइट नाउ, you know, so something like that, you know. So I guess now these kind of jugads, if I try and expand them, I call it self-care, है ना, and we have to find the kind of things we can do for self-care. And like I said, ये आपके लिए और मेरे लिए कुछ चीजें कॉमन हो सकती हैं, पर the importance of each of these options and जुगाड़ is different, है ना. अगर मैं आज आपको कह दूं कोपल कि भाई क्यों नहीं आप सुबह 5 बजे उठती, क्यों नहीं आप योगा करती, क्यों नहीं आप प्राणायाम करती, आप जरा, you know, घूमने जा. Now look, definitely these are excellent ideas. There's nothing wrong with those ideas. But you know, जो जना सुबह, you know, for you it might be easier to, you know, keep awake till 2 o'clock. That's your normal routine. So if somebody says wake up at 5 o'clock, yeah, you'll it'll be a burden for you.
Yeah.
You know, even yoga, pranayam, look, nothing wrong with them, but if that is not coming from inside, it's going to become a burden. और आप फिर अभी पहले ही स्ट्रेस दें, फिर आपको ये लगा अरे यार मेरे से ये भी नहीं होता, मेरे से वो भी नहीं होता. So this adds to your stress then.
This was happening with me. I think I can very much relate here.
है ना? तो मेरा कंटेंशन या प्रपोजल ये है कि आपको जो चीजें पसंद है, you know, rather than trying to add things which you have never done, think about things either that appeal to you. कम से कम दिल से पूछना पड़ेगा, दिमाग से नहीं, क्योंकि ये योगा प्राणायाम वगैरह भाई कुछ लोगों के लिए दिल से आ रहा है, पर कुछ लोगों को दिमाग से आ रहा है. जहां दिमाग से आ रहा है वो स्ट्रेस को, मेरा कहना है, मतलब मेरा मानना ये है कि वो शायद आपके स्ट्रेस को कम नहीं करेगा, पर दिल से जो आप चीज कर रहे हैं, आप गाना गाइए, आप गाना सुनिए, आप नाचिए, है ना, जो चीजें आपको द थिंग दैट गिव्स यू मी टाइम, है ना. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, देखिए मेरा कहना है लोगों को कि भाई अगर लोग कहते हैं कि भाई मेडिटेशन हमसे नहीं होता, मैं बोला ओके मेडिटेशन आई विल होपफुली ट्राई एंड शेयर विथ यू अ न्यू वे ऑफ मेडिटेशन. कि आप चाय बनाइए, है ना, अब आप चाय को आंखें बंद करके एक बारी आज तो इसमें अदरक डाला है यार, कुछ खुशबू आ रही है ना. सो यू इंडल्ज योर सेंसेस. सी द प्रॉब्लम विद स्ट्रेस इज द स्ट्रेस विल make you live in your brain and not in your body. So क्या कलर की शर्ट पहनी है, क्या अदरक है, क्या स्वाद है, क्या अपन उसको. So let us indulge ourselves, let us nourish ourselves, है ना. क्या गर्म है यार, चीनी भी नहीं है, मजा आ रहा है, स्वाद का मजा ले रहे हैं. बट वो 5 मिनट अगर हमने अपना फोन स्विच ऑफ करके और ये बोला ये मेरा है ना, लेट मी ब्रिंग इन गली बॉय हियर, अपना टाइम आएगा, है ना.
स्ट्रेस रिडक्शन करने के लिए हमको कहना पड़ेगा कि अपना टाइम अभी आया है और हर रोज आएगा, 5-10 मिनट के लिए आए, पर ये अपना टाइम है और मैं इसमें नरिश कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को, खुश रख रहा हूँ, मजे कर रहा हूँ, है ना. अगर अपन ये कर पाए, हमें look, so these are the kind of जुगाड़ that we are looking for, these are the kind of जुगाड़ we are looking for, taking regular breaks, WhatsApp के ऊपर बार कर रहे हैं या काम कर रहे हैं लोग. Sorry, am I going on too long? You let me know whenever, if you think that's enough. Sure, sir. So I guess the thing is that when lots of people are working, like my wife and I am also working from home, and we're working on the devices all the time, right? Look, when we used to go to work, like when I used to go to the hospital, भाई तैयार होना 15-20 मिनट उसके लिए लगे, हाँ भाई बैग में ये रखा है नहीं रखा है, all those kind of things. I think I've lost my this thing. Maybe it's coming directly from the phone. But all those kind of things which were getting ready for work, going there, so driving and all that kind of thing. It gave us boundaries. Okay. Right. It gave us time to. It gave us time to effectively get ready. It gave us time to get ready for getting to work. अपना mode brain को switch करना and get ready for coming back as well. Right? और आजकल वो हो ही नहीं रहा.
आजकल नहीं हो रहा. Exactly. One of the major part of our day is spent preparing ourselves, getting ready, pampering ourselves. So indirectly there we are pampering ourselves. लेकिन अभी वो चीज नहीं हो रही है. We are sitting in our pajamas and just not hardly doing anything productive. Those who are working from home are also, I think, in their pajamas, so not getting ready, and just that pressure of working is inside the head. So people are working 10-11 hours. I mean, I myself heard,
Exactly. And I think so. Maybe there is some look. What we need to do is probably try and look at कि भाई अच्छा अब इसको कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. अब इतने दिन तो हो गए, देखो 3-4 हफ्ते 5 हफ्ते 6 हफ्ते जो कुछ भी है, that so much time we've kind of seen this happen. Earlier it was okay when this was happening, finally, but now that we realize कि बॉस ये तो लंबी रेस है, मैराथन है, so we cannot work like a 100-meter race में जैसे चल रहे हैं, मैराथन है, तो we will have to pace ourselves. And here comes in there, नहीं यार आज तो assume that you're going on Insta live every day, so you're kind of shaving, you're kind of putting on a good shirt, you're kind of getting ready for getting to work, है ना? Maybe you have a separate, ये जो desk है मैं काम के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ, फिर then you walk away, use our devices. मैं क्या करता हूँ कि हर hour there's a, I mean I started this actually about couple of months ago. I think I started putting an alarm on my phone for every hour, so that just a reminder to me ki boss, can I take a break right now? Is it time for a break?
Right. That's
now I may or may not take the break, but that reminder जब आता है तो एक बारी अच्छा यार करना है मेरे को, है ना? तो कभी-कभी अगर 5 मिनट के बाद मैं उसको I just put it on the 5-minute, what do you call it,
timer.
Yeah, so rather than switching off the alarm, you kind of sleep for another 5 minutes kind of thing, or tell the, and then so that okay, then you finally take the break. So these are the kind of things that I'm talking about, right? One of the other things that I'll probably note is that when we are under stress and when we are working under such abnormal conditions, and Kopal, a lot of my clients, actually, I have found that if they had their office in their home, they have these kind of problems even normally. And what helps them is to try and see कि बस हाँ घर पे से ही काम, मतलब anyway right now that is not that's not an option, but I think for them one of the things that I ask them is कि भाई what all things are important in your life, है ना? और तब ये देखिए कि अगर ये एग्जाम है तो हम 50 नंबर का क्वेश्चन भी अगर हो, काम जो है अपना, तो उस पे यार इट मेक सेंस टू स्पेंड अबाउट 50% ऑफ आवर टाइम ऑन दैट. 50 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है 100 में से, सो भाई 50% ऑफ टाइम, चलो 55-60, पर भाई उससे ज्यादा अगर रेगुलरली कर रहे हैं 55-60 से ज्यादा, देन वी आर नॉट ऑनरिंग द अदर थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. व्हाट द स्ट्रेस इज डूइंग इज इट एक तरह से अपने को खींच के इसी तरफ, एक तरफ या दो तरफ, there are so many facets of our personality. We are brothers, sisters, kids, mothers, fathers, we are bathroom singers, we are painters, we are I don't know, we are cooks, we are सफाई करने वाले, हम बहुत सारी चीजें हैं हम लोग, है ना? We are like diamonds, है ना? बट ये चीज क्या करती है कि वो दो फैसेट्स के ऊपर में एक स्पॉटलाइट डाल दिया, काम करने वाले और ये करने वाले, या 3 चीजें, और उन्हीं के ऊपर शाइन करते रहते हैं. सो द रेस्ट ऑफ द फैसेट्स नेवर गेट एनी इनफ एयर टाइम. उन चीजों पे, है ना, मतलब 50% 60% से ज्यादा वो हमारा जो बैलेंस है वो गड़बड़ हो जाता है. आई थिंक द की इज टू ट्राई एंड फाइंड आवर बैलेंस ऑल ओवर अगेन. एंड द फाइनल बिट, sorry, the final bit about this is to give yourself credit. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि जब अपन करते हैं तो जैसे सपोज ये 5 मिनट चाय के लिए निकाले, यार रेवल इन इट, है ना? मैं लोगों को पैट आसन सिखाता हूँ, ये पैट आसन, विराट कोहली आसन. विराट कोहली डजंट वेट कि सेंचुरी बन जाए तभी जाके अपने आप को पैट करे या यस करे. He will do it at every 2 runs, 4 runs, 6 runs, so that पेट्रोल की टंकी अपनी भरी रहे. हम लोग जब एडल्ट हो जाते हैं, देखो बच्चे तो खुश हो जाते हैं छोटी छोटी चीजें करके. I think we should all pat our backs right now, whoever Absolutely. Is online, whoever. Excellent. Yeah, and I think cements the thing. ये जो कुछ भी अपन सेल्फ केयर कर रहे हैं, rather than feeling sorry कि मैं अपने लिए टाइम निकाल रहा हूँ, rather than feeling bad कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ और अच्छा भाई और भी चीजें करनी है, responsibilities भी, yes they are there, but we need to balance it out, and if we need to kind of give ourselves credit for every little thing we do, that's when we feel slightly better. And then जब कोई भी और चीज आएगी तो स्ट्रेस में बन नहीं जाएगी. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, so I'm coming to the next question. How to calm my anxious mind immediately from thoughts of loss or death of a loved one? So this
sorry, you'll have to
yeah.
Sorry, so
how to calm
thoughts of loss
or death of a loved one?
Death of a loved one. Yeah. I think these are hard questions, right? And I think death of a loved one, loss, any huge loss, I think the key is that we do need to go through grief. We cannot, this is part of life. वही वाली बात जैसे मैंने कही कि भाई उसको दरवाजे पे रोक नहीं सकते अपन, और अपने को वी विल हैव टू टर्न ऑन आवर hearts and switch off tone down the brain a little bit. So the balance when we are dealing with grief, loss, death and all these kind of things is actually where we are able to, because I know that sometimes what we have to do is use our brains, because भाई कुछ चीजें आपको ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, कुछ करना है, वो कीजिए जरूर, पर कुछ ना कुछ समय निकालिए जहां पे आप बैठ सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं, एहसास कर सकते हैं. These are things that are not, if we try and keep them away, not indulge in them, yes, for some time it is okay to do that. But eventually, on a day-to-day basis, we will have to find time to actually invite it in. कि हाँ अब आ जाइए, अब बात करते हैं, बैठते हैं, सोचते हैं, cherish those memories, or let the tears come, let the emotions flow, because these are things that we will have to kind of deal with, and we will have to kind of these are part of life. So I think honoring all those things as well, maybe cherishing the good memories that you have of those, even if the losses of a relationship, the losses of some dreams, the losses of identity, enjoy the parts that were good, and say goodbye effectively to parts that were not good, and kind of thing. But these are all part of our stories. हम इनको अपने story से निकाल नहीं सकते. I think जब अपन वो कोशिश करते हैं तो मुश्किल हो जाती है.
Right. So coming to the next question. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों पे जब गुस्सा आता है लोगों को during anxiety, so the question is how to control emotions and anger when you feel frustrated about some small things during anxiety.
Yeah. I mean, these are all very good questions. I think the thing, Kopal, is that yes, I mean, look, nobody is 100% successful. I think सबसे पहले अगर ये अपन मान लें कि भाई अपन 100%, so what I'm trying to say is being kind to yourself, है ना? क्योंकि ये गुस्सा जो आ रहा है वो एक और लेवल ऑफ स्ट्रेस नहीं बने, है ना? हम अपने ऊपर भी हंस सकते हैं, गुस्सा भी कर लें तो भी हंस सकते हैं, अरे यार गुस्सा आ गया अपने को. तो एक तो ये बात है. पर हाँ, some of the things that I think I've already mentioned about how to take care of yourself, finding your balance, sustaining and nourishing yourself. I think if we do those, then what happens is the foundation, है ना, we are at a good foundation. अपने पैर जो है जमीन पे थोड़े से अच्छी तरह से जमे होते हैं, तो फिर ये छोटी बातें कई बार अपने को इतनी दिक्कत नहीं करती. पर अगर करती भी हैं तो आई गेस इमीडिएट वो उसको जमने नहीं देना है, and not keeping that feeling that I screwed up again, it's like being like Virat Kohli कि यार ये बॉल पे आउट होते होते बचे, या like कैच छूट गया, जो कुछ भी है, the catch is that भाई अगली बॉल के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, क्योंकि वो बॉल सामने से आ रही है. अगर उस बॉल पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो ये पुरानी बॉल पे ध्यान देते देते क्लीन बोल्ड हो जाएंगे अपन. So the thing is that yes, give honor. I'm not saying don't look at these things that are happening to us, but at the same time don't give it undue, है ना? वो 10 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, 5 नंबर आगे बढ़ते जाइए, करते जाइए. And at the end of the day, being able to talk to somebody, I think your partner, your mother, your brother, father, friend, जो भी हैं, even kids, talk to them and say, आज मम्मी को देखो गुस्सा आ गया तुम्हारे ऊपर, अरे कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, ये होता है, being able to, then the impact of those things on them, they also realize that these kind of things happen. They know what are the things that trigger you. They are also realizing कि भाई जब ऐसा हो रहा था, जब मम्मी, है ना, शक्ल देख के मम्मी की भाई जान जाओ या समय जान जाओ, या so could be something like that. So I think these are the kind of things. But I think sharing, I mean, what I'm getting at is that, this is an opportunity to actually not only understand the situation, acknowledge the situation, reflect on it, but then sharing. I think जो आप छोटी वाली बातें कर रही हैं, उनके लिए मैं यही कहूंगा कि भाई शेयरिंग, अगर now it does show us vulnerabilities to others कि हाँ मम्मी भी गलती करती हैं, या as a person I do these kind of things. There is nothing wrong with it. We all do this, है ना?
Right.
I think we have been, the society, our culture and everything else puts a big burden on us कि we have to be perfect, we should never do this, and if we do this then we are not a good person. Hold on, I don't know, I'm digressing here a bit, but you know, even our mythological stories say कि यार शिवजी ने गुस्सा करके अपने बेटे का सर काट दिया, है ना, बाद में उसको ऑपरेशन करके गणेश जी के सर पे हाथी का सर डालना पड़ा, और हम कह रहे हैं कि यार गुस्सा मत हो, यार हम तो इंसान हैं, मतलब उनको इतना गुस्सा आ गया. No, I'm just trying to kind of put it in perspective that really our mythological stories in fact show every god has made tremendous mistakes and then done so many jugards to try and fix it up. या किस किस को उन्होंने श्राप दे दिए गलती से, और किस अच्छे जनों को, और किस किस बुरे जनों को उन्होंने वरदान दे दिया, और फिर उस वरदान के लिए फिर महिला बन के आना पड़ रहा है, फिर यू नो ड्वार्फ बन के आना पड़ रहा है, फिर कुछ और हिरण बन के आना पड़ रहा है, फिर यू नो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ जुगाड्स. एंड आई थिंक इफ वी कैन लाफ एट दैट एंड से लुक, if the gods can't manage it, then we are okay, or we're doing all right.
We are all
you know, that's okay.
Yeah.
So
there's
that's
a
my
question,
answer.
There's a question here. Change is inevitable. Still we resist. Why?
Wow. I think the key is first realizing that change is inevitable. है ना? There was like a philosopher, I think I don't know now, Roman or Greek, Heraclitus. He said that you cannot step into the same river twice. What he was meaning was कि भाई जब when you try and go back into the same river, you are not the same person, क्योंकि you know you have been changed by your experiences, and the river's water has flown and things like that. So river is also not the same river. So both the circumstances and you are constantly changing, right? It is inevitable, but the thing is that we love, you know, we get attracted, we love some, if we are getting, you know, intense feelings of happiness, of feeling of connectedness, feeling of, you know, pleasure. These are things that we like so much that we get kind of almost addicted to them, let me say it that way. And the same kind of thing with things which are not pleasurable. We are almost repulsed by them. You know, तो हम कोशिश, definitely all of us have to try and find the balance to kind of be at the pleasurable end more often than not. And you know, the thing is when we try and put either at 0 or at 100, कि यार हमें जो चीजें अच्छी नहीं है वो तो 0 चाहिए, और जो चीजें अच्छी हैं वो 100 चाहिए, है ना. द आई थिंक इफ वी कैन ट्राई एंड से कि हाँ यार किसी किसी दिन करेला भी खाना पड़ता है, कोई बात नहीं, और बाकी दिन कभी कभी गोलगप्पे हर रोज नहीं मिलेंगे, बट यू नो ऑल्टरनेट डेज मिलेंगे, और वॉट एवर, यू नो समोसे इतने दिन, है ना. Also we live in a, you know, in a very very interconnected, we are interconnected people, right? We are social people. तो क्या है कि हमारे कभी कभी हमारे पसंद की चीज होगी, कभी हमारे बच्चे की पसंद की होगी, कभी हमारे पार्टनर की पसंद की होगी. So we've got to kind of try and kind of find that balance. When we, हाँ, तो अगर आप 100% हम अपने पसंद की शायद नहीं कर पाएंगे, और 100% किसी और की भी करने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो भी अपने को मुश्किल ही करेगी. So when I say, to me, when change is inevitable, you know, the answer, you know, you know, I used to live in Australia, and a lot of times when somebody asked a question like this, you know, something as simple as how are you doing, you know, the funny answer to that is, how long do you have? Because even an answer to the question of how you're doing can be like 2 hours long, right? But I think है ना. So Kopal, I guess what I'm trying to say is that कि भाई this is the beginning, you know, once we try and see that हाँ ठीक है, you know, and oh okay fine, this thing is coming, we are going through a phase, ups and downs are coming and things like that. So change is inevitable. We try and stick to the things that are good, just because obviously it makes us feel good. You know, we want it good. Why? Who doesn't want it good? The only thing is realization that, you know, it doesn't have to be 100 out of 100. हो सकता है हमको बचपन से कहा गया है कि भाई, you know, 100, मतलब I know there are a lot of people who are, जब 98 आते थे तो सबसे पहले जब घर आके आए और डैड को या मम को कहा, hopefully that was not the case in most of your homes or most of your families, but there are cases where, you know, कि 2 नंबर कहाँ गए, पहले ये नहीं बोलते कि बेटा बहुत अच्छा किया, वो बाद में आता है, हो सकता है, पर पहले आता है कि 2 नंबर कहाँ गए, कोई सिली मिस्टेक कर दी क्या तुमने? You know, so those kind of things, if we have, we want to make sure that we are not doing it to ourselves. You know, we are being kind to ourselves. We are getting ready for the next ball. We are kind of, you know, celebrating whatever else that we are, you know, चाहे 50 आए 70 आए जो कुछ भी, we're celebrating that. And we are trying to find our balance. You know, these are the kind of things I'd say we can kind of help.
So one question is, does our mindset helps in weight reduction?
Sorry?
Does our mindset help in weight reduction?
Weight reduction.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the pleasure. I think our mindset does make a difference, because sometimes otherwise eating can become our comfort thing to go to, right? You know, it's like, you know, in when we are stressed, when we're not happy. So you didn't call, I mean, let me just double check. Weight reduction, right?
Yeah, right.
You're talking about? Yeah. So when we are stressed, for a lot of us, because we are looking for pleasure, and the easiest way to get pleasure is to eat something that we like. So it could be a chocolate, it could be some mithai, it could be namkeen, you know. Oh my goodness, for me this is you know, bhujia and things like that. It's like once you start off, you can't stop, because the body says, I need some pleasure now. Yeah, you nourish me. So, you know, that balance gets lost and we kind of eat. So I think if we can pat ourselves on our back when we feel a lot more comfortable with ourselves, when we feel a lot more, you know, that theek hai, it's okay, it may not be bad, it may not be good, or it may not be beautiful, but at least it's not as bad as it looks. You know, it's not terrible, it's okay. I am somewhat in control. I don't know if this is the time where I can kind of introduce what I tell to a lot of people. I give them a little diary like this. Okay?
Yeah.
And इस छोटी डायरी में हम क्या करते हैं, this is like a daily diary, और मैं कहता हूँ कि 5 ही मिनट दीजिए आप मुझे, है ना, इतनी सी जगह है, देखिए बहुत छोटी सी जगह है इसमें, ये हर दिन के लिए, और 3 दिन मैं कहता हूँ, है ना, यू ट्राई एंड इस obviously front page को use your artwork, use your imagination, personalize that diary, make it your own, and then हर रोज 3 चीजें लिख रहे हैं अपन इसमें. एक तो सबसे ऊपर जैसे मैंने दिखाया हुआ है यहाँ पे, you're giving yourself a satisfaction index or a mood score or a happiness score, you know, out of 10. So we're just saying, आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was today for me? Was it 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10? Now it's a very simple way of just reflecting कि कैसा दिन रहा, and it allows you to look at things that went right. Lot of, you see, our brains are excellent machines of trying to remember what went wrong, because that's their, you know, it's always trying to look for कि क्या चीजें गड़बड़ हो सकती हैं क्या, so that, and to do list क्या है और क्या करना है, वो इसका काम ही है, ये number 1 काम है, because the number 1 काम है कि अपने आप को for safety, है ना, keeping us going. But what happens is that, so this, in this thing what I say is कि भाई आप 3 या 4 ऐसी बातें लिखिए जो आज हुई या जो आपने करी, that were positive, that were energizing, that were funny, that brought a smile to your face, that was exciting, that was you know, things that मैं इसको आसान टर्म्स में कहता हूँ कि जिस चीज से अपने बॉडी में पेट्रोल भरा. बिकॉज ऐसी कई चीजें, जब झाड़ू लगाया, पोछा लगाया, ये किया वो किया, उसमें हो सकता है पेट्रोल निकला, कभी कभी काम करने में, कभी कभी इवन खाना बनाने में कभी कभी पेट्रोल निकलता है, पर किस चीज से पेट्रोल भरा, वो 3 या 4 चीजें इसमें लिखें. तो
Sir, I've lost your connection. I had lost your voice. Yeah, it's back.
This is good. Actually, the voice is also back. Now, हम लोग ये लिखे 3 या 4 चीजें, है ना, जैसे ये चाय पीने में मजा आया, आज विराट कोहली ने सेंचुरी मार दी, आज ये अच्छा हुआ, आज ये जोक बहुत अच्छा था, आज मैंने ये किया. So these 3 or 4 things, and one thing that you tried to change today, one thing. आज मैंने, you know, तैयार हो गई, आज मैंने चाय बाद में बनाई, आज मैंने कॉफी पी ली instead of this, आज something different that you did. Now, what are we trying to do here? You know, our brain keeps sending us these alarms. अरे यार तेरे को ये भी करना है, ये भी ठीक नहीं है, ये हो गया, ये नहीं हो गया, those kind of things. what we are trying to do is we are trying to send it alarms back. अरे यार 5 out of 10 था, 4 out of 10 था, ये किया, ये नहीं किया, है ना? So we are looking at positive things and we are looking at what we could change. So we are trying to tell it that, you know, hold on. चौकीदार को अपन ये कह रहे हैं, यार फिक्र मत कर, I am under, you know, things are under my control, so don't get too worked up about it. So this, in effect, as we keep doing it regularly, then, you know, the need for comfort eating, the need for eating more than what we really need. Also, you know, we are able to, even, you know, having a small bar of chocolate, we are able to actually take enough pleasure out of it and things like that. So the satiation, ye jo apna, there is another, you know, that kind of thing, you know, those things happen. Hopefully that in turn will, you know, just being more happy with yourself allows you to kind of just, you know, it will also allow you to do exercising. You know, see, it's funny, they're all interconnected. Sleep better, have more exercise, do more exercise, do more things for others if you are doing things for yourself. You know, it's kind of transformational, but it's kind of by small things, not by doing huge. You know, I'm not saying कि boss आज अपन कुछ नई, you know, चीज कर रहे हैं. It's छोटी-छोटी चीजों से ही हम, you know, transformation ला रहे हैं.
So a question है, how to deal with uncertainty that is in the air right now. We don't know when things will get better. So this is obviously related to the pandemic. Yeah.
So we started off with this uncertainty in the first question. I think we covered that a lot. I think the main thing also to realize is कि भाई, I think one of the, which I haven't mentioned, and I guess it could have been in any of these questions, the answers could have come in. कि भाई जैसे देखिए अब आर्मी में अगर आप होते, I mean I'm just giving an example because it's quite stark, है ना? अब आर्मी में होते, JNK में आप हैं या बॉर्डर पे हैं, what you have to do is you have to depend on everybody, you know, the whole circle around you. You have to actually be vulnerable and be dependent on them, and that can give you the freedom to do your job. Otherwise, अगर आपको लोगों पर भरोसा नहीं होगा, trust नहीं होगा, so what you have to do is try and find who is it in my circle who I can trust. And see, I mean, why I'm bringing it up right now, because this vulnerability and dependence actually can give you a huge, when we can say कि मुझे डर लग रहा है, when you can tell people, even kids for that matter, कि हाँ बेटा, because then they will feel that there's nothing wrong. If the situation is like that, तो डर भी लगता है, पर उसको भी आने दो और जाने दो और फिर सोचते अपन उसके बारे में. तो एक तो अपन ने ये किया, है ना, उसको हावी नहीं होने दिया. The other thing is it gives us the freedom that we don't have to act like Amitabh Bachchan और दीपिका पादुकोण कि हाँ बॉस हमको तो सब कुछ ठीक लग रहा है ना, क्योंकि वो जब acting can be very exhausting. That I have to be strong for somebody, है ना. Then that acting दूर करके we can deal with the situation as it is. We can be liberating. It can be, you know, it can be helpful to have other people help us out. Now, why I said this here was that there are enough people trying to decide how things, you know, कि भाई open up करें, red, blue, green zone कर रहे हैं, नहीं करना है, जो कुछ भी है, you know. Now, let us kind of leave these kind of things to them, you know, understand them, but there is a limit again, you know. We have a circle of influence, we have a circle of control, and we have a circle of, you know, what matters to us. So जिस चीज पे circle of control है, शायद उस पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा अपने को, है ना. वही 50 नंबर का क्वेश्चन अपना circle of control है.
Right.
और 25, 30, 40 नंबर circle of influence है. And things that matter are 10 नंबर, और बाकी सब उसके बाहर है, you know, वो कोर्स के ही बाहर है. Because we don't care about it. So at this point in time, we have to try and say, "Acha boss, keep an idea about what is happening in, you know, what the central government is doing, what the government is doing, and things like that. But then say, you know, we don't have control over this. Let go and let us just see what happens. अच्छा भाई, है ना, हम अपने आप को कैसे बचा सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, आज क्या. Again, also bring it down to today. Lot of times, you know, future के बारे में सोचना. Maybe 10% of the time, you know, we can also have, you know, a future time, you know, 7 से 8 बजे सुबह is my future time, तो उसके बारे में सोचा, या my worry time, and you know that what I'm saying is भाई ऐसे जुगाड़ कुछ लोगों के लिए काम करते हैं कि जहाँ पे you can time box it. जिस तरह से अपन कह रहे हैं भाई 9 से 5 काम करते हैं, तो फिर उसी तरह से हम 6 से 7 worry करते हैं या future के बारे में, and the rest of the time, as much as we can, बॉस अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, अब आज क्या कर सकते हैं, लेट्स डू दैट एंड देन से ओके फाइन, यू नो, बिकॉज सेंचुरी बनाने के लिए भी 4-4 रन करके, 2-2 रन करके, एक एक बॉल करके वहां पहुंचना.
Sir, a very
So,
interesting question is here. Can you please tell how to overcome stage fear?
stage fear.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's look. I mean, to tell you the truth, आदमी आज आपको लग रहा होगा मैं इतने प्यार से बोल रहा हूँ और कुछ भी बोल पा रहा हूँ और दिमाग में जो कुछ गया. Look, I mean, I have huge, biggest stage fear. Maybe one of the options about losing stage fear, I don't know, it's not very practical, is कि boss lose all your hair. Once you lose all your hair, then you feel like, boss, this is how I look like, this is how I am, this is how I am, you know. Then you feel like, okay, I don't have to kind of, you know, put on any hairs. You know. I think the key to losing stage fear is also that, you know, that कि भाई हम सब एक रोल कर रहे हैं, and even, you know, as we go through life, you know, we will learn, you know, this is an experiment. It's not an exam. You know, you are not going to, you know, the marks probably don't matter that much. You know, जो अपना दिमाग कहता है कि भाई आई डोंट नो मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ, मेरी आवाज कैसे आ रही है, मैं ठीक से गा पा रही हूँ कि नहीं, या लोग क्या कहेंगे, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. यू नो, दैट वैल्यू, इफ वी से दैट वी आर हियर फॉर फन, am I enjoying it? Yeah, that's when, you know, it's easier said than done though, you know, obviously I understand that. I think everybody will say something like this, it's easier said than done. But I think one of the things that does help is, you know, that वो अपने दिमाग से बात करने वाली जो मैं बात कह रहा हूँ ना, कि भाई जाने से पहले, लेट्स से, यू नो, जब हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं किसी चीज की, तब तो हम बहुत खुश हैं और अच्छा हो रहा है जो कुछ भी है, और सो व्हेन यू गोइंग टू द स्टेज, सडनली अपना दिमाग ने ब्रेक लगा दिए, है ना, घुमा दिया अपने आप को, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. So you have to find dialogues, है ना, जैसे कि मैं
like you
I don't
shared
know
with me earlier, like you shared with me earlier, those,
yeah. So जैसे मैं भाई शोले का डायलॉग, बहुत ना इंसाफी है रे,
बहुत नाइंसाफी
है ना,
पुष्पा,
कि भाई
I hate tears.
कि भाई जब तक साला मैं कैमरे के सामने नहीं था, तब तक ऐसे आवाज निकल रही थी कि भाई कमाल है, और या कैमरे के साथ आते आते ऐसे लग रहा है कि क्या कर पाएंगे. तो आई थिंक दिस इज दैट फनी पार्ट. आई थिंक द थिंग इज, व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग एट इज कि हाउ डू यू कनेक्ट नाउ, द बेसिक, हाउ डू यू डू इट विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर एवरीबडी, बट द की इज दैट इफ यू कैन कनेक्ट टू द लाइटनेस इन यू, यू नो, द लाइटनेस ऑफ बीइंग, यू नो, ह्यूमन बीइंग. हम ह्यूमन डूइंग बन जाते हैं, हम लाइटनेस को भूल जाते हैं, हैवी हो जाते हैं. जहां हम हैवी हो गए, वहां पर अपना परफॉर्मेंस, वहां पर, है ना, वी, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज देन वी आर इन्वेस्टेड टू हेवीली. इट ऑलमोस्ट फील्स लाइक कि दिस पर्टिकुलर परफॉर्मेंस इज गोइंग टू मेक और ब्रेक मी. You know, it is the most important thing in the world for me. When you say, yaar, it's just another game. You know, इस गेम के बाद भी, you know, एक टेस्ट मैच है, एक फाइनल है, एक वो है, तो इसके बाद भी अभी बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. जब ये समझ आ जाएगा तब ठीक है यार, जो कुछ भी है. And then if you have all these other, you know, we talked about the connections with family, friends, things like that, being dependent, vulnerable, and things like that. Once you know that there are certain people who will always be your friends, who will always love you, who will, you know, this particular thing, they are there for you, and they do not care whether you, how well you did in this exam.
Right.
They are still your friends forever. Now, okay, now I've said too much. One more thing. Now this again, these are kind of jugaad that can be helped for, can be used for any of those questions. Is asking your brain कि आज, let's say you're my friend, Kopal, you're my best friend, right? Now, if I am going on stage and I am having fear, I had asked myself, अगर कोपल अभी स्टेज पे जा रही होती है और अगर उसने मुझे ये पूछा होता क्वेश्चन, तो मैं उसको क्या कहता?
That's such a cool idea. Yes. Right.
Yeah, because it's always easier to tell your best friend and people you love कि अरे यार तू फिक्र क्यों कर. अगर हम वो चीज उस टाइम पर अपने आप पे लागू कर सके कि अच्छा यार मैं उसको कहता, तो देन यार मेरे ऊपर भी लागू होता है ये. That is what I think. Then, you know, that makes it certainly, and anyway, thinking about your best friends at that time automatically brings your anxiety down as well. Yeah, there's all these jugards. Really, they are all jugards. But whatever works for you, you need to kind of figure out what works for you.
So next question is, once you overcome anxiety and stress, it keeps repeating with situations. So how to deal with that? Like, I guess she's talking about triggers, little triggers that take you back into the anxiety.
Yeah. And I think one is, so this is the whole process, this is it's like a learning process, and all these things you can say ki bhai ye sab apne ko experience. It's like PV Sindhu, right? Going through 3 world championships and 2 Olympics, this and whatnot. And then, people used to say, bhai, she's a, persistent, consistent silver medalist. She never. So that's the thing. But this is the thing. These kind of things are paving the way, of getting to gold. And really, I mean, not that getting to the gold medal is important or whatever. I think even silver medal is good enough. I'm not saying that finally you will get to the gold medal. But I think the key is that ये चीजें वापस आती रहती है. हमको लगता है ना? The song that I can remember, it's a very old song. वो होता है कि भाई, हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको, हम तो समझे थे कि हम भूल गए हैं उनको, क्या हुआ आज ये किस बात पे रोना आया. तो मतलब जो चीज हम सोचते हैं कि हमने डील कर ली है उससे, यार अब तो अपन उस्ताद हो गए यार, अपन तो like now we know how to deal with this thing, and the same thing comes back and you're like, अरे यार साला फिर क्या हो गया, है ना? So it will come back and it's okay, but once we realize that जो चीज अपन दिल से निकाल चुके हैं, जो चीज अपन अच्छी तरह से कर चुके हैं, वही गम जिसे हमने 100 जतन से निकाला था इस दिल के दूर, वो चलकर कयामत की चाल आ गया, हुई शाम उनका ख्याल आ गया, है ना? So these kind of things will happen. We've kind of dealt with this grief, we've dealt with certain things and whatever emotions and things like that and these triggers. But I think what we realize is कि okay, now if ये अगर अपन डायरी रख रहे हैं, अपन थोड़ा बहुत सोच रहे हैं और अपने आप को शाबाशी दे पा रहे हैं, what we will realize is that once we start, शुरू में तो ऐसा था 10 out of 10 times this trigger used to get me. धीरे धीरे 1 out of 10 times मैं इसको कहता हूं कि आज तूने मुझे पकड़ा नहीं. Then 2 out of 10, 3 out of, you will realize, and as you see these things, you'll say यार आज नहीं किया. तुम पुरानी डायरी, अरे यार हाँ यार उस टाइम तो मैं ये करता था. And then this is what, then you go, okay, now once you're clicked in that it is 1 and 2, then suddenly that it will ramp up. It will never go away, by the way. Maybe 1 in 100 times, maybe one, whatever, or certain, the stress situations and things that you'll still get caught. फिसलोगे भाई, कीचड़ में अगर अपन चल रहे हैं तो फिसलेंगे तो सही, कभी ना कभी, है ना? Thing is not about whether तुम फिसल रहे हो कि नहीं. The thing is फिसलते हो या फिसले रहते हो, कितनी देर तक नीचे गिरे रहते हो.
फिसलना तो है, right? Absolutely. So next question is how to deal with insomnia without medications. Okay, yeah, it's a very interesting and very useful thing. Insomnia, very, especially in these kind of times, but even otherwise, insomnia can be a real pain. And I think the problem with insomnia is multifold, because when it starts off with for a couple of days, again, just like uncertainty, the scope, the level, the frequency, the duration, all these add up. It's like a bank account, unfortunately. The नींद नहीं आती है, फिर नींद नहीं आने की वरी से नींद नहीं आती है, और एंड देन उससे और इट्स अ साइकिल. ऑल्सो एक दिन अगर नहीं आती है, इट टेंड्स टू काइंड ऑफ डिसोरिएंट अस. वो बैलेंस चला जाता है, लॉजिक चली जाती है, चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाता है, इरिटेशन, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, all these things multiply, and this kind of plays upon each other. These are all, it's like they attack us. It's like a pack of wolves that attack us. एक जना पकड़ता है, फिर दूसरा जना पकड़ता है, and you're kind of trying to deal with each of these kind of a thing. So, okay, let me try and remember some things. Okay, so everything that we've talked about, if we try and get to it a little bit,
be kind to yourself and try and use all these techniques a little bit. So hopefully the things that are stressing you वो थोड़ी बहुत कम हो रही हैं. अपने आप को अपन शाबाशी दे पा रहे हैं. We are at a better state of mind in general when we are sleeping. So let's assume that we are doing all of those. Now, specifically for sleep, we have this kind of thing we call sleep hygiene. Okay. Now, just like we get up in the morning and, morning hygiene is about taking a shower, brushing your teeth, going, whatever else, putting on new clothes and having a cup of tea. That's our hygiene for the morning. Getting ready for the world. The same kind of thing we need to try and do for getting ready to go to bed. Now, what are those things? Obviously, routine helps. But it doesn't have to be very rigid. Everything in all of these things, what you will notice that I'm saying is that nothing, rules ki jagah guidelines are much better. Every time we, even being kind to ourselves or patting us, as soon as we make it into a rule, the effectiveness goes down, because that gives us another danda to beat ourselves up with. कि ये नहीं किया अपन ने.
Right.
है ना? So sleep hygiene. Let's come back to sleep hygiene.
Yeah.
Sleep hygiene, devices, turning them off for the last, say, half an hour to 1 hour before sleeping. Having a routine, switching off lights, staying in bed rather than trying to get up and then WhatsApp, TV, instant messaging, things like that. Maybe even keeping it in a separate room, maybe switching off the device. I don't know, these kind of things. Using your bed only for sleeping. I know that I love reading my book or even doing my laptop work there and things like that. But what I've realized is, if the body knows कि जब हम bed पे आए तो हमको सोना ही है. If it is possible, now again, this may not be possible for some people, but if the bedroom can be, or the bed specifically can be only for sleeping and not for working or reading, that is another, we're trying to send the right, it's all about sending signals to our brain.
Right.
And trying to, fifth gear से fourth gear, third gear, second gear, first gear, and then बंद किया. Rather than fifth gear से सीधे ही सोने की कोशिश कर रहे हो यार, obviously कहाँ 60 की स्पीड से आप जोर की ब्रेक लगाने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो the brain still kind of active. Other things about sleep hygiene is जो to do list है कल की. अगर आप ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जिनके लिए what am I going to do tomorrow, what am I, this kind of things keeps going on in your brain, keep a paper and pencil next to your bed. And then before you sleep, maybe half an hour before, give it 5 minutes and put your to-do list there. अब लिखा हुआ है ना वहाँ पे, है ना? जैसे कि अपना brain को अगर अपन, when I'm going to the hospital and my wife says, "Hey यार, bread, अंडा, दूध, चीनी, 5 चीजें बोल दी उन्होंने." अब अगर मैंने उसको लिखा नहीं, तो क्या है, वो ब्रेन बार बार मतलब बात करते करते, अरे यार क्या चीज थी, 5, हाँ 5 थी ना यार, ब्रेड, अंडा, दूध, चीनी, 5th क्या थी यार. But once you've written it down, you've downloaded it. You've offloaded it. Then maybe you don't have to remember it all over again. To-do list को रखा, we don't, वो कल की बात कल देखेंगे. Relaxing music, relaxing things, enjoying all those kind of things towards the end of the day. What else can I say?
Yeah, to interrupt you once. Do you have time? Because I think there is a time duration for this, because we are finishing 1 hour approximately.
Okay.
So I'll have to continue and take you again on live after another 1.5 minutes.
Okay.
Approximately.
Okay.
So we are finishing 1 hour. I think there is We are back after a break.
Take the breaks, but those break
We are back after a break, after a short break. I hope you guys stood up, straightened your back, whatever. I did that. When are you live? Yes. Please hold on for a minute, guys. I'll call him. Yes, he's here.
Hi. So,
Hi.
so I've got this here. I thought, what can I do in this 5 minutes?
Yeah.
And really, I think the whole idea. Sorry, I mean, I'm starting off straight away, but the idea is being light. I think किसी तरह से भी जैसे भी आपको किसी तरह से अभी वैसे ये सर पे भारी लग रहा है पर if you can find lightness in whatever you do, that's the thing.
That's the thing, right? So, a few questions that came in from the last live session. How
Yeah.
to deal with feeling of helplessness when incidents like boys' locker room come forward? You try and talk to people around you and spread awareness, but people don't understand. So, yeah, this is majorly, trying to convey something, and yeah, the other person doesn't understand. So, in this situation, what would you like to say?
Okay, let's stop for a moment. And why have you?
Yeah.
What did you do during the break? Tell me.
I stood up, I straightened my back, I did some
Eh,
stretching because I was
Excellent.
sitting here
Yes.
for a while.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
And
I
what
walked
I
a
did.
little, that's it.
Excellent, excellent. And I think why I'm doing this is that we are kind of paying attention to what we did as well. Not only doing it, but then paying a little bit attention later on. है ना? It kind of enhances the experience. है ना? जैसे अब मैं गया, मैंने अपना आधा चाय का कप पड़ा था. I just heated it up in the microwave, finished it off,
Okay.
went and got that thing. Just walked around, patted my dog. So it's just realizing that okay, I've done it, and then telling yourself okay, I've done it as well, and so let it flow through our body. Sometimes we take the breaks, but those break के time पे भी अपन दौड़ ही रहे हैं, दिमाग दौड़ ही रहा है. तो अगर ठीक है 1 मिनट और लेके उसको एक बारी so this is practically and we have to do it every time. It doesn't matter whether we are live or not live or whatever. It's okay. We can talk about this, and this is the most important thing. Yeah. So, well, okay, let's get back to that. So, sorry, you might have to kind of little bit.
Should I repeat the question?
So when you say boys' locker room kind of thing, are you saying that they're all kind of rah 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 and they're not really interested in knowing कि दिल में क्या चल रहा है? What does it mean? Like, what does just give me a.
So I think this person is trying to say that when incidents like these come up, you try and talk to people and make them understand, make them aware of what is happening, but the other person is not understanding. So this kind of a situation.
Yeah. I think, look, again, this is an interesting bit, है ना? दो चीजें हैं. एक तो अपने करीब के जो लोग होते हैं, the people who are close to us, we feel that they should understand what is happening to me. I don't even have to tell you, just by looking at my face, looking at my gestures, looking at whatever, what is happening. If you don't know, who the hell knows? So we have this intense need, and I mean, it would be wonderful if people did kind of plug in, but the problem is that they have their own, एक ये भ्रम है हमको कि हम सब एक ही दुनिया में रहते हैं असल में. We I think live in our own worlds. We have our own worlds as well. I mean, हम एक दुनिया में रहते भी हैं, पर साथ में हम अपनी अपनी दुनिया में भी रहते हैं. हमारी लैंग्वेज भी अलग अलग ही है ना? तो look, and sometimes just by saying कि भाई हाँ, those people who care, love us, so close to us, they should know what happened to us and why we are feeling like this and things like that. But we need to help them a little. We need to be able to tell them what is happening, how it is happening. Now, before we tell them, now look, people come for counseling or they say कि भाई हाँ, आप फोन पे काउंसलिंग करते हैं कि नहीं? करते तो हैं भाई, देखो, but can you find a place that is quiet? Can you find a place where you won't be disturbed, where you'll be able to kind of just be yourself, relax, dear to our heart? सबसे बड़ी चोट जो है जब कुछ हो रहा है, तो अपने को ऐसा लगता है कि क्या कहते हैं कि भाई उनको समझना ही चाहिए. मतलब the investment is also to our, or the effort that we make to open up is so big then we go back into our shell, because if we find failure, then we will go back to our shell. यार फायदा क्या है बोलने से? पर think about it like this, कि हो सकता है आपने जो बोला वो बात जो है वो डायरेक्टली अभी नहीं समझ आई उनको, पर एक बीज बो दिया आपने, है ना, आपने एक बीज बो दिया है उनके सर में. एंड हो सकता है जब उनके पास टाइम होएगा, जब it will come up as a seedling, and then it will fruit and it will flower, and hopefully you've left something there. Now that
Such a
can
nice example.
yeah, and then that can leave you feel satisfied as well कि कल चलो मैंने आज कम से कम बीज तो बो दिया, वरना अपने को लगता है कि साला कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. You feel dissatisfied, you feel even more frustrated, angry at yourself, that why the hell did you try? This guy is never going to listen to me. I'm going to, मैं इसको friend से हटा देता हूँ या जो कुछ भी है, whatever this thing is. But you say, my work was to sow the seed. Hopefully, I'll nurture it a little bit. But hopefully when the time is right, the guys understand. So एक थोड़ा सा patience का बात भी अपन ने साथ में कह दी यहाँ पे.
So one question is, when you add enough pain for weight loss and pleasure on eating food, how to condition your mind?
But I think we can be trying to. I think my feeling is that we sometimes try too hard. I think and that makes it the hardest part about. Definitely trying is required, definitely discipline is required, definitely all those things help, but if we don't have self kindness towards the self, forgiveness towards the self, till that is there, and also acceptance of the self, that even the way we are, it's the funny part is, है ना, आपको लगता है कि जितना मैं अपने आप से लड़ाई करके इसको जीत रही हूँ या कोशिश कर रही हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, that's the way we are kind of fighting against who we are. But if we can accept that who we are is still lovable, understandable, a person worthy, deserving of love, care, attention, affection, acknowledgement, and all that kind of thing. This is yes, this is a problem. This is not who we want to be like, but that then it helps the way. I don't know if I'm answering the question, unfortunately, fully, and there can be 100 answers as well. But I think this is what is the key where between success and failure. I think.
So one question more, which is related to the boys' locker room. It's from the same person, Radhika.
Sure.
So she's saying, if you are not able to bring change in your own patriarchal family at the ground level, it leaves you feeling helpless and restless. So in such cases, I think this is a little bit going towards another angle. But yeah,
Definitely.
This is actually a concern, not just from one person, but I think in our whole country.
Oh, definitely. Look, I mean, I was living in Australia for about 23 years. When I came back, and I started doing the counseling here. Yeah. That was the one thing that kind of hit me in my face. It slapped me very, very hard. I mean, I knew how things were. मतलब मैं यहीं पे पढ़ा लिखा बड़ा हुआ हूँ और सब कुछ है. But just the level and the scope and the wideness and how it really impacts everyday life. Believe me, it's not just women, it is men as well. Definitely women to a larger extent, but even men, we are caught up in this cycle, in this environment where where we have to deal with this patriarchy, we have to deal with, I don't know, all kinds of things, and again, rules, again, what should and should not, and I feel this should and should not, it's such a jail, it's such a, it's such a rigid system that kind of, unfortunately, it feels like, and we do feel helpless against it. And I think in this kind of scenario also, I think we will have to decide, what are the things that we value. And if it is independence that we value, and these people are not ready to listen, other people are not. And I think the main thing let's go back, because once my mouth starts, gear में चला जाता है तो वो साला बोलते ही रहता है. So let's start.
It's all right, sir. It's all right. Yeah.
So first thing is, how many people in this world can we change? We were talking about that circle of control, circle of influence, circle of what matters to us. So there's a lot of people who matter to us, a lot of people who influence us and we can influence. But when we look at control, unless we are parents of a few 5-year-old, 8-year-old, 10-year-old, yes, and ourselves, I think दुनिया में मैं केवल एक ही आदमी को बदल सकती हूँ और वो सिर्फ है मैं. बाकी सबको मैं इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकती हूँ, कोशिश कर सकती हूँ, बट I cannot change them. So if we are taking on the mantle of being the person who will, again, and that injection वाली चीज also comes in here, कि यार ये तो इतना साफ है, इतना obvious है, ये इंजेक्शन मैं इस तरह से बोलूंगी तो ये लोग बदल जाएंगे, बट द थिंग इज साला वो इंजेक्शन पहुंचता ही नहीं है वहां तक, क्योंकि उनकी जो चीजें हैं वो वहां दैट ताला खुलता ही नहीं है. So what we have to do is realize that yes, we do have, look, I mean, it doesn't mean don't change, and now this is the hard part. It's a paradox that we have to kind of solve. Ki, be passionate, try to do things, but at the same time laugh at yourselves ki bhai I'll be able to change it. How can you balance these two things out? Right. And then be able to and then be passionate, because this change that we are trying to get to, it's like trying to change something that has been going on for centuries and generations and things like that. You're saying that, okay, in a minute, look at that seed. हाँ, तो वो जो seed वाला बात कहा ना, right. First thing that is just हाँ. Again, look, we're going through a lot of things, and they're not formulaic, these kind of things, but I'm trying to give you options to kind of then draw upon and अपने जुगाड़ बनाना, फिर है ना, इन चीजों से लेके आप अपने जुगाड़ अपने situation को करो, है ना. Now, one of the key things we haven't talked about today, I don't know, we are going through, really, I mean, I'm amazed with the kind of variety of things that we are going through, but okay, let me tell you another little jugaad that I use, or I try and suggest to people. And again, look, this came to me, funnily enough, I only learned it when I went through my counseling degree. So at the age of, I don't know, whatever, 46, 47 or something like that, I went back to university. I was an engineer, worked in IT for, I don't know, 27, 28, something like that. And then I went back to university. It was the most scary thing for me, because when I was doing my engineering, I used to fall asleep in class. I was notorious for that. तो जब मेरे को ये लगा कि अब साला वापस से यूनिवर्सिटी जाना है, am I going to be able to deal with this thing? I'm 47 now. Also, am I going to fall asleep or not? Or what am I going to do? Anyway, I did that. Finding problems in things and solving problems. Yeah. Logic is our king. It is like हम उसको प्रार्थना करते हैं. हम उसको पूछते हैं कि इसके बिना, this is the biggest strength in the world. My logic is my biggest strength in the world, that I am able to figure out what to do, why things happen, उसको कैसे tweak किया जाए, ठीक किया जाए, तो ये साला सिस्टम ठीक हो जाएगा, है ना. और मैं वही लॉजिक लेके यहाँ काउंसलिंग की डिग्री लेने आ गया था कि भाई हाँ चलो भाई, लॉजिक तो मैं तो भाई जबरदस्त हूँ, मैं आईटी की प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे सॉल्व करता हूँ, समझ आता है. मैं बस नाउ द ओनली थिंग इज कि रादर देन मशीन्स, मैं लोगों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, तो वही है, मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, गो बैक टू द बैकग्राउंड, फिगर आउट द कनेक्शंस में, किस कनेक्शन में पावर ठीक से जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है, ये ठीक से चल रही है कि नहीं, वो कनेक्शन को ठीक करो, और व्हाटएवर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. And what it dawned on me is, एक तो भैया लॉजिक को तो पहले बंद करना पड़ेगा. The thing that is your strength so far is your biggest weakness when you come to doing these kind of things. Yeah. Because here it's all about heart. है ना, दिल से काम लेना. अब दिल से किस तरह से काम ले, दिमाग क्या कहता है, जैसे ही चालू होगी, अरे यार आप लोग ने ये क्या कर रखा है, राज कर रखा है मेरे इस घर में और इसमें और दुनिया में, और डड़ा. So we start with what you have done, what has happened and things like that. But the thing is, as soon as you say you first, you screw me up, you do this, you do that, when the voice is all about you, दूसरे आदमी का सारे दरवाजे बंद, खिड़कियां बंद, सब कुछ, वो सारी चीजें, है ना? तो फिर क्या, तो देन खत्म हो गया, वो तुम्हारा इंजेक्शन बेकार हो गया, बाकी जो कुछ भी आपने बोला वो सब बेकार हो गया. So where I learned, and now sometimes I try and tell people, we call this how to be assertive without being aggressive or passive. In being assertive, the way of being, the way of getting to this place. Now, this thing is hurting us really bad. So we want to tell people, आपने हमारे को कितनी क्षति पहुंचाई है, कितना चोट पहुंचाई है, हम how badly we are hurting, कितना दर्द हो रहा है, वो सबसे पहले हम बताना चाहते हैं. Right. But if we can turn it around, rather than saying you did this thing, you say, look, यार मेरे तो दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, या मेरे को बहुत मुश्किल होती है ना, मैं खुश रहना चाहती हूँ पर खुश नहीं रह पाती हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कि अगर थोड़ा सा मेरे को ये रहा, अगर आप कर पाए, that's so first talk about how it is impacting you, then talk about that, okay, I've thought about it, but if I feel that अगर मेरे को थोड़ा सा बहुत ये होए वो होए, so we're not putting them on the spot, we're not putting, you're pointing the fingers at them, क्योंकि अपना लॉजिक ने तो ये दिखा दिया कि हाँ ये गलती इधर है, अगर ये इधर से ये पेज थोड़ा सा ढीला करेंगे तो अपने, पर then rather than saying कि अगर you should, now those are the people who are telling us should. Let us not throw it back to them as a should. Let's say yes, like I would say, यार मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करें, पर शायद अगर, maybe, I wonder if, so we are leaving them that छोटी पतली गली उनके लिए खुली छोड़ दी है कि अगर उनको अभी भागना है, और अभी भागना है तो भाग लो, कोई बात नहीं, पर वो सीड लेके जाओ भाई हमारा, है ना? और वो है ना, और एक बार आपने बता दिया कि भाई इस चीज से अब नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी ऐसे होए, और बात है ना. The other thing that helped, again, so this is one thing, okay, let me repeat, we're talking about the good environment, we're talking about the, getting back to our space where we are not kind of, too injection oriented, we are not you oriented, we're not logic oriented, all these kind of things. एक मिनट, ये एंग्जाइटी वाली बात मैं जरूर एक बार थोड़ा सा और कह दूं. कई चीजें अपन ने ऑलरेडी बात कर ली है उसके लिए, और ये मतलब रिमाइंडिंग यू अगेन दैट यू कैन नॉट गेट रिड ऑफ इट टोटली, है ना? It's always going to be there in some amounts. I think, I don't know. I guess the key, I don't know, we haven't talked about this again, a key phrase that I think we can use is energy flows where attention goes. Okay, I'll repeat this again. And energy flows where attention goes. है ना? तो ये जो एंग्जाइटी वगैरह चीजें हैं, ये बच्चे की तरह हैं जो आके बार बार सुनो मेरी बात, तो सबसे पहले उसको एक्नॉलेज करना पड़ता है कि हाँ बेटा तेरी बात सुन रहे हैं, 1 मिनट ठहर जा, 10 मिनट ठहर जा, 15 मिनट ठहर जा, या तेरी बात सुन लिया, जो कुछ है ना. बट there has to be, we have to limit the energy that goes towards that thing. The attention, how much attention that goes there, because if these are magnets, it will suck up all our things. So also knowing that we cannot, the kind of things that our brain goes into, the stress mode. So if we get out of this, what are some, we need to have some जैसे symptoms जो कहते हैं कि भाई हम स्ट्रेस मोड में चले गए. देखो, एक तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट थिंकिंग होती है, गुड एंड बैड, राइट एंड रॉन्ग. अगर उस थिंकिंग फिल्टर्स लग जाएंगे, खराब चीजें दिखती जाएंगी, अच्छी चीजें दिखेंगी नहीं. देन वी विल स्टार्ट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके, वी विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट कि आगे ये होने वाला है ना. अरे मूवी को फास्ट फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर सकते भाई, जो अभी हो रहा है उसी पे देखो, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए करो. These are ways. It will also try, see what this thing will start doing is, वो वाली हमारी ब्रेन की जो मूवी वो ऐसी होगी कि हम न केवल अपने डायलॉग बोलेंगे, जब आपको ये लगने लगे कि आप सोच रहे हैं यार मैं इसको ये बोल देता हूं, पर मैं ये बोलूंगा तो ये बोलेगी, फिर ये बोलेगी, ये सोचेगी, ये करेगी. When your brain starts thinking for others, responding for others, then you know that you are stuck. Because now this guy is fully under control. It is, यार करने बर बोलो तो सही यार, बोल सकती है मैं कोपल को ये बोलूंगा तो हो सकता है वो ये बोलेगी, बट हाउ कैन वी बी श्योर कि ये बोलेगी? Because it does, yeah, so that what it does is the anxiety then is fully ruling us, and it is not allowing us to do the things that we, let us again try and be light. I don't know, there are like take away, rethink about these kind of things that we've talked about, and then probably you'll find something.
So how much do you think upbringing helps building a person, and how can one change that? This is one question that came up.
Yeah, this very, very interesting, and thanks for that question, and thanks for all the questions that have come so far, really. But भाई ये पुरानी debate है nurture versus nature की है ना, what are parts of who we are, it's inbuilt talent,
and there is a mention of PTSD also.
Yeah. Yes, the traumas that we have faced in our life do tend to kind of impact our thinking, our ability to deal with situations, because what it will do is it will take us back into that mode. थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर की, मतलब if it is somewhat similar तो अपन flashback में चले जाएंगे, सब कुछ चले जाएंगे. Upbringing also is a huge thing. Now look, what we think is important in life, what we think is good things and bad things, these all, in fact, we all start off our basic this whole structure or framework of right and wrong, structure of logic, structure of even what feels good to us, it seems to be dependent upon the role models that we look forward to. तो अपने घर में या तो बड़े भाई या mother, father, या how they used to behave, how they used to deal with stressful situations. Sometimes we get very much influenced by what they are. But then what happens is, as we grow older, and I think this is so important, and why, I mean, some of us are lucky that we go and have good friends in our teenage years. Because now then we try and figure out, अरे यार एक ही तरीका नहीं है साला यही चीज करने को, इनके यहाँ तो ऐसा करते हैं, ये करते ही नहीं है, इनके यहाँ ऐसा करते हैं, ये ऐसा करते, so then suddenly the options come up. Till we are 10, 12, we tend to idolize our parents and the way things are done, because we've been told that this is the way to do things.
This is the way to do things. Right.
And then our job as teenagers is to fight, look at the boundaries, challenge those boundaries, actually go beyond those boundaries. It's hard. Again, like you said, the patriarchal system or something, or this is not what we do and things like that. But some of us are very lucky that we have friends who are different, who challenge us, situations which challenge us, maybe going to a hostel and living in a hostel that is challenging. Some of us are very lucky. Some of us haven't had that chance, unfortunately. But sometime in life we've got to take up that challenge and figure out. Of course, we have to find that balance between. उन सब चीजों को फेंकना भी जरूरी नहीं है, पर उन सब चीजों से get that balance of trying out certain things and not keeping some of those things, and then slowly you can and make up your own behavior change, but a lot of discussion. I think if you have good friends, then makes it a lot easier. If you have partners, if your husband or wife, if your sisters and brothers, if they are, if friends, other people, other community things, like, people who read books like yours and things like that. So, a healthy discussion, because agar ye dil ke andar, dimag ke andar rehta hai, the options are very limited. And then ability to experiment, ability to fail. I think in this kind of thing, if you're ready to fail, है ना, वो सबसे बड़ी, क्योंकि 10, 12, 16 साल के बाद हम फेल होने से फिर डरने लगते हैं, क्योंकि यार लोग हंसेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, करेंगे. पर अब आपको अगर भाई जिन लोगों ने साइकिल चलानी नहीं सीखी 10 साल की उम्र में, 12 साल की उम्र में, आप जानते हैं कि भाई उसको स्कूटी चलाना वगैरह वो सिखाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, बैलेंस करना बहुत. बट दे हैव टू बी रेडी टू कि भाई आंख रोंच भी लगेगी, जो कुछ भी लगेगी, चलो. So once like, and it is good when you have friends who are ready to not laugh at you but say कि yes boss करो, हम उठाने को तैयार हैं तुमको.
Okay, Great.
Okay.
So
Great.
how would you define OCD? I feel at times that I have OCD,
Uh-huh.
and so I'll give you an example. Like I just had food, and I have utensils here on my table. Until those utensils are here, I'll be like, I'll feel like it should be removed ASAP. And if that does not happen, I don't feel good. So do you think that comes under OCD? And how would you exactly define OCD?
Yeah. Kopal, I guess a lot of us have, it could also come from our parents or whatever, कि भाई हाँ, भाई चीजों को अपनी जगह पे रखा करो, and that is a big value, or that thing kind of thing. And then every time we see थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर, sometimes it's not, I know that it's not my voice, but it's my dad's voice that's actually saying कि भाई साला टीवी तुमने फिर ऑन छोड़ दिया, यहाँ पे कोई बैठा तो नहीं है, पंखा क्यों चला हुआ है, या ये चीज क्यों पड़ी हुई है, it is kind of saying that. Yeah, so OCD, so look, I mean, the first thing to realize with any of these mental illnesses is that, unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, there is no specific test, कि भाई ब्लड टेस्ट किया और पता लग गया कि भाई हाँ 60 से ऊपर है इसलिए तुमको ओसीडी है, 59 है तो ओसीडी नहीं है, बट या तुम बॉर्डर लाइन पे हो. Lot of it is based on behaviors and how often those behaviors happen. तो जब आप हमको आके बताएंगे कि भाई ये बिहेवियर है, ये हो रहा है, इस पे ये हो रहा है, then we will try and say हाँ भाई है ना. But it's not just about the behaviors, it is about the impact of those behaviors as well, and how do you feel a compulsion कि भाई अगर मैं ये नहीं करूंगी तो मैं बुरी हूं या अच्छी नहीं हूं, या फिर वो मेरे दिल में मेरे को और कुछ काम ही नहीं करने देगा, ये बार बार याद आएगा कि यार अभी तक वो साला मग वहां पड़ा हुआ है, इवन व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, सडनली बीच में से वो मग की फोटोग्राफ आ जाएगी अपने दिमाग में. दैट इज व्हाट the other big thing about compulsion is that sometimes with OCD what happens is, it's quite often, this is the hard part, that our brain tells us that nahi, this is not worth it, but we cannot stop ourselves from doing it.
इसी से रिलेटेड एक और क्वेश्चन आया सर, सो वी कैन कंटिन्यू दैट टू. डज क्लेंचिंग योर टीथ ऑल द टाइम बिकॉज you feel if you don't clench things won't be right comes under OCD? That's a question.
Yeah, it could be. By the way, I must clarify also that, look, one I'll clarify that I'm not a doctor, right? So I haven't done a medical degree. I've done a degree in counseling. So we go through all of these conditions and things like that. We're taught about how to diagnose these things, but at the same time, the first thing we are told is that, we are not all our patients or ourselves. We are not, these things don't define who we are. So technically, even though we know that it sounds like OCD and things like that, all it helps us to kind of maybe say कि boss हो सकता है तुमको कुछ medication चाहिए होगी, or by looking at how severe it is. But technically, I usually try not to tell you are just Kopal, I am just Ruchir, and I'm going through some issues and things like that. OCD might help us to kind of label the problem and label that thing, just because then you can read up and things like that. But it doesn't define us. It may help to try and think about something like, oh यार, like a चौकीदार और a गुंडा जो अपने को पीछे से कह रहा है साला ये कर नहीं तो तेरे को मैं ये करूंगा, पीटूंगा या जो something like that. And you would say आज तेरी बात नहीं मानने वाला मैं, है ना. And again, that 1 out of 10 times, 2 out of 10 times, slowly, है ना. Or you try and say आज में क्या है, even if let's say you have an OCD about closing the door, checking things are locked or not, something like that. Saying, okay, आज मैं 10 बजे से पहले 2 ही बार करूंगी. So we try and kind of, we try and wrest control back into our own lives. ये गुंडा हमको तंग तो कर रहा है, पर साला आज मैं 1 बार नहीं करूंगी, आज मैं 9 बजे के बाद नहीं करूंगी, आज मैं 1 घंटे के लिए नहीं करूंगी, whatever. So the whole idea about this, that same thing about, finding small ways of, this, what we are doing is, we are trying to steal time away. एक गुंडे को वो सामने खड़ा है अपने दरवाजे से, तो हम बैक डोर से निकल के किसी तरह से उसको चकमा दे रहे हैं, किसी तरह से निकल रहे हैं, उसको बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. What we are trying to do is, we are trying to take control back inch by inch. and giving ourselves a pat on the back every time we are able to do it, rather than यार अभी तक वो सामने ही खड़ा है गुंडा. You know, so by saying that it is a gunda, we are externalizing. This is not who we are. This is something that is happening to us. वो बाहर डंडा लेके खड़ा है, ये मैं नहीं हूँ, ये गुंडा है. दूसरा, अब now let us try and do it one at a time, two at a time. You know, one small thing. You know, a lot of times perfectionism, OCD, perfectionism, being good, 100 out of 100, being able to seek approval of others. Somebody else is watching me, and unless I do this, then I'm not a good person. If we can get rid of those kind of thoughts, और उनको थोड़ा सा कम करें, धीरे धीरे उसको, है ना, I am still a good person. This is not define a condition that defines whether I'm a good person and I'm a good wife, I'm a good daughter, कि मैं अपना kitchen को साफ रखती हूँ. You know, we might have to go back to, I don't know if it was Einstein. There is this quote that sometimes the people say that Einstein said this, that a clean desk is a sign of a cluttered mind or a dirty mind. You know, it's a funny thing. So then you tell yourself, okay, yeah, so maybe my mind is clear, that is why my kitchen is dirty.
Right.
You know, some silly thing like that. We have to find anything that can make it lighter and anything that can allow us to do this. Okay,
I'll just give you my last question here for today.
Okay.
This comes from your story also. Like you told me, you were an engineer and now you are a counselor as a professionist. So many people in our country especially deal with this, that, you know, they choose another field, but they don't know exactly what they're doing. This I'm also speaking in terms of my younger cousins also. So they take up a science or whatever subject, but they are not really sure what they want to do in their lives. So in that case, how can one decide what they like and how can they go about it? Like so many, even I was a science student till 12th, but I later shifted to English honors and I came into this field like you know. So how do teenagers deal with this? Because I think this is a lot of pressure. There's a lot of pressure on teenagers. About it.
I think the first thing is that realizing that the opportunities are limitless. You know, again, like I said, being a good person, a successful person, being a good husband, wife, daughter, co-worker, friend, all this doesn't depend upon us being an engineer in an MNC or a manager or a CEO or whatever. You know, that thing, वो जो अपन उसके साथ में जुड़े रहते हैं, है ना, we are looking for a membership of life club. Let's say a membership of life is a club and we feel यार platinum membership तो तब मिलेगी जब 4 लाख रुपए होंगे, गाड़ी होगी, बंगला होगा, ये होगा, CEO होगा, लोग मेरे को नमस्कार करेंगे, whatever, you know, gold medal होगा, something like that. You know, अरे यार अभी तो, and we kind of keep feeling that this membership of life जो अभी अपने temporary है यार, अभी तो अपने को prove करना है, अपने को ये करना है ना. So we kind of अब और अच्छा फिर लगता है कि अपन ने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लिया इतना सब कुछ, अब वापस जाएंगे तो यार हमारे तो 2 साल बर्बाद हो गए. बर्बाद कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. By the way, I am still using everything that I used in my IT thing. I still use it here sometimes. You know,
I'm sure.
Life experiences, these kind of things. In fact, I kind of say that, we are all part of a mosaic. You know, you're an artist, right? You know that that words, you might be an artist with colors, you might be an artist with, vegetables, we are all artists with our life, right? We're all painting with our life. है ना? This painting is like a mosaic, जो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े लगा के बनाते हैं mosaic, है ना? हर टुकड़ा जो है एक अलग रंग का है, मतलब कोई किसी ने टूटा हुआ ग्लास लगा दिया है, टूटा हुआ कप लगा दिया है वो फोटो बनाने के लिए. Everything we do, every person in our life is like that piece in that mosaic, has its own value. It is adding it. In fact, if that part was missing, आपको लगेगा यार छोटे सी चीजें से फायदा क्या हुआ, पर अगर वो मिसिंग होएगा तो सबका ध्यान हो, यार यहाँ पे तुमने कुछ खाली हो गया है, कुछ गिर गया क्या यहाँ से, कुछ छूट गया क्या यहाँ पे, है ना? So this is all we have to. So once we know that everything that we are doing has a value, Second thing, the opportunities nowadays are limitless. If there are 42 channels or 142 channels or I don't know, 242 channels, that means they need people who do ads, they need people who do jingles, they need people who do makeup, they need people who do photography, they need people who do posters, they need, I don't know, they need cooks to feed those people, they need air conditioning engineers, they need, all these, jhadu lagane wale for that matter. And I think so that is the thing. The opportunities are limitless. The question that I'll ask you, and this is an exercise that we have to do. We have to ask our hearts. कि यार मेरा दिल किस चीज से खुश होता है?
True.
अगर वो आंसर कर पाए, forget about क्या अच्छा लगेगा, क्या बुरा लगेगा, dad क्या कहेंगे, दुनिया क्या कहेगी.
But then these are the same kids who are not grown up that much mentally. But they're aging, but they are not mentally that, they are not able to decide,
Yeah.
If you're getting my point.
Yeah. So I think they will probably need a mentor. I think the best thing is if they have a mentor, they have people who are open, who are not mental. True. And then maybe, if we look at it like a game, where even playing is good enough, where we kind of, come to it with some, rather than losing and winning. See, losing and winning जब तक रहेगा, तब तक हम अपने दिल से बात नहीं कर पाएंगे. When we say, we have to try and make it interesting. Will this interest us? Will this, then we will try and say, Acha, and we don't have to, by the way, we can still be engineers, even if we are not 100% into it. As long as we are also finding ways to do things which make our heart sing. तो भाई हर वीकेंड हम घूमने जाएंगे, हम गोलगप्पे बनाएंगे, मैं पेंटिंग भी कर रही हूँ, ये भी कर रही हूँ. So try and have those things happening together.
Yeah.
Because you never know, even as an engineer, you might find the right environment where, where even that will flourish. But
what made you shift from, what made you, I would like to know your experience, how you went from engineering to counseling.
Yeah, that's a big story, but I'll try and kind of shorten it.
This is our last question, discussion. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Look, and basically I was working in Australia for a Canadian company during the 2007-8 kind of time frame when there was this whole global economic crisis going on. A lot of friends in my company, what they started doing was they started laying off people. 3 jane this week, 4 jane agle week, 5 jane, rather than doing a big cut. And we were working in a small town where a lot of people were getting a lot of anxiety, depression, and ki yaar kya hoega, kaise hoega, kahan karenge, kya karenge, yaar, all that kind of thing. And what I found, I don't know, it was not planned or anything. And I started finding that, more and more of my time, I started going and talking to people and telling them, asking them, kya ho raha hai, kaise ho raha hai, and all that kind of thing. I wasn't really counseling, but, just being there for them, being a friend for them. And a lot of people said that, bhai, aapse baat karne mein bahut acha laga. So, that is the something that, when I got made redundant, and a lot of people came to my, this thing, and I said, pata nahi yaar, main kya kar, I was feeling like, pata nahi main kya karne wala hu. And somebody told me, yaar, tu to kuch bhi kar sakta hai, tu to humse itni baat karta tha, and, by talking to you, we used to feel great, we are going to miss you. We are going to miss you. So why don't you, if you're saying ki main kya kar sakta hu, just come back here. Every lunch you can still come back and have lunch with us, and we can talk. How about that?
Yeah.
And that's what woke me up and said, shit, just by talking to people you can make a difference. And then
right.
so and a direct difference. Pehle jab hum IT mein the, to haan yaar tum ye karoge to people will like this and all. It was all indirect, very far away. And here it was something which was very direct and very personal. And something must have clicked in my mind, and I just said,
but that's amazing.
But I must say that my wife was probably one of the big reasons why I was able to do it, because she said, go ahead and do it. Fine. You're getting, we can live on one salary. It may or may not work. You may or may not like it. But look, it's time to experiment. It's time to, why don't we do it? If not now, when?
that kind of a thing. So I mean, it took me a time, 6-7 से लेके मुझे, when I got rid of the job, the first thing I went and found another IT job, but I started thinking about it. And then maybe around 11-12 or so, that's when I started.
That's all, sir. That's all for today. But I think that people might be coming up with more questions later on. So I'll keep in touch with you. If there are many questions, we can go live again someday later.
Okay,
so, yeah. It was very inspiring. People are saying thank you for answering all their questions.
Oh, look, thank you guys very much.